welcome to Little Steps Stories. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. The Girl with Two Crayons. It was the last exam today at school. Art exam. The teacher instructed the students to take out their crayons while she distributed plain sheets to draw on. She even instructed the students that since it was an exam, no one must talk to each other until they finish their test. Children were free to draw anything they had on their mind. Soon, all children started drawing, and so did Ahana. Ahana was very good at drawing. She drew a beautiful scenery. All the children had finished their drawing and now was the time to fill in colors. "How colorful each one of your paintings look!" exclaimed the teacher. When the teacher passed by Ahana's painting, she saw that Ahana drew a scenery but used only 2 crayons to color it. The teacher wondered and asked her, "Ahana, I loved your drawing, but can you tell me why have you used just 2 crayons to color it?" "Because that's all I have, teacher," replied Ahana. "You mean you have only 2 crayons?" asked the teacher. "Yes," replied Ahana. The teacher took Ahana's drawing sheet and decided to show it to the class. "Dear children, look at this beautiful picture Ahana has made," said the teacher. "It is nice. But why is everything in either blue or orange?" asked a boy. "Because those are the only 2 crayons Ahana has," said the teacher. "Why? Where are her other crayons?" asked another student. Ahana stood up to answer and said, "I lost a few and used a few. My mummy would buy me a pack of crayons only once a year. Until then, I must do with what I have." The children looked confused. "Let me explain," said the teacher. "All of you must be feeling, why such a rule to buy a pack just once in a year? That's because your parents get you everything that you need and when you need. But not everyone can afford to spend money that easily. Sometimes you may have children around you who cannot buy whatever they need and whenever they need. We must appreciate Ahana for making a beautiful picture with her 2 crayons and even being happy about it." "Yes, teacher, I now remember. Since previous 4 classes, Ahana has always used these 2 colors for anything she drew, just blue and orange. But it never occurred to us why she had only 2 crayons," added a student. The teacher then collected their drawing sheets and left the class, with children thinking about Ahana. They had 10 more minutes before the final school bell rings and they go home for a vacation. "Ahana looks happy with her 2 crayons, but don't you feel we must help her as she is our friend?" said a boy. "Yes, we must. I feel so too," added a girl. Soon a group of children wanted to help Ahana. "But how do we help her?" they thought. I have an idea. Each one of us have 10 crayons in our pack. If we share one crayon each choosing a different color from our pack, she will have a collection of all colors, said a boy. Yes, it is a great idea, agreed the others. So, each one of them took out one color from their pack of crayons and walked to Ahana. Ahana, we want to gift you something. We have taken out one crayon each from our pack for you, they said, and handed her 8 crayons that completed a whole pack. Friends, it is really thoughtful of you, but I am happy with my 2 crayons, said Ahana. We know you are happy and you never asked for crayons from anyone. But we all would love if you have a whole pack to make your pictures colorful, they said. Ahana was touched by this gesture and said, If I take these crayons, you will have one missing in your packs. If you can be happy with just 2 crayons, we can easily be happy with 9, replied her friends. And that is how the girl with 2 crayons found her whole pack. We can share even from the little we have. All we need is a big heart.